how long anyone else is going to stay sleeping at my house. You ready for everyone to wake up, Dwayne? The rabbits are not appreciative. So I have the 2 duck eggs back here, but apparently someone else has been having an issue. I haven't noticed anyone acting like they were egg bound or anything. Usually when an egg's like this, it's hard for them to get out, but thankfully whoever it was got it out on their own. So this many eggs already this morning. I filled up this mason jar for Dwayne rather than opening up a new bag. And then also you can tell somebody roosted on the feed and made a giant mess in there. I don't have my scraper out here right now, so I'll have to come out later and flick that out. Disgusting. We had another egg under the nesting box in the bantam area. I'm starting to wonder if it is one of Moose or Felicia's eggs, one of the silkies. Maybe they don't get up in nesting boxes. So the other day, I saw what I thought was one of the ducks on top of the other. Maybe I was wrong. Got the cows' hay out, so it's time to get them out. Good morning, Atlee. Are you ready to go out? Outside. Go eat your hay. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, Dawad. Outside. No chicken food for you today. Atlee's having an attitude. I hope that doesn't let us know what this girl's gonna do. Good morning, Bridget. Let Dove out too. Maybe you guys will go out together. Oh, they're just gonna have a little tiff. I'm gonna go ahead and open the babies. The 3 big girls are being bad. Good girl. Hop on out, Dumbledore, so I can shut the door. The trough is looking a little low, so I'm gonna fill it while I go make Harlow's bottle. Brought Dwayne in his food. And water. Everybody seems to be on edge this morning. Harlow sees her papa. Oh goodness, your face is messy. Poor Ember sees her chance. She just come running over to get some hay. Atlee, do you wish you were a bottle baby? No, be nice to her. Sometimes I wonder if Harlow wishes we would quit giving her a bottle, since people are mean to her when we do. I just had to shove Dove away from her. This is how Harlow acts after you take away her bottle. The bottle's gone, sister. I had to come back in to turn off the trough because I was letting it overflow. No more Baba.
We got our super awesome nieces and nephew here today.
You can also feed him stick. How'd she get hooked? I thought Lulu wanted to tell it. So other chickens pecked on his butt.
Got Dwayne just wandering around.
I think he's scared.
What? What are them? They do have babies. They're babies in their bellies. He just said, where are they? In their bellies. So you can't pick them up. She just popped something. You can't do that, Bubba. They're pregnant. She's not. Buddy, they're pregnant. You can't do that.
Shayla wants to clean rabbit cages today, so I got my poop cart ready. Every day, they're just out here waiting on worms. All right, this is our first time cleaning out this rabbit hutch, so we'll see how it goes. There for a little bit. All right, dump it there. That'll stand up. There's a little tree ball up there. Little rabbit print. Close this so you can't come in.
No. Maybe it was locked because he had it.
So that couldn't have worked out any better.
Super easy.
This is my upstairs cleaner bottle because my downstairs one was empty. So later I'll yell at Shayla and the kids because I can't find it. How long do rabbits live?
Like 8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years. Looking forward to doing this every day for 8 to 10 years.
We want to recall who's the yes man in our house.
Shayla's fault.
100% not.
Alright, look at that shine. No, I still don't understand. Oh, there you go. Sweep this up along with some of the kids' crafts. We got Honey all cleaned up. We ended up moving him over there just to open this area up a little bit until we get him out of the house. And then Dwayne over there, letting his butt heal up. Now we're putting the wheels back on the girl rabbit's hutch. That way it's easier to move around. So we can clean under it and stuff. All done.
I came out to videotape my shorts and saw that the bantams were out of food, so I'm giving them some more food. Got it all filled up, so now we can move on. While I'm out here, I'm gonna go ahead and look for eggs. Saw one down here. One laid back here. 2, 3, 4. These ones look like they did have another one near them. Someone ate it. None under you. So 4 from the bantams today. Slip sliding on my way to the coop to collect eggs. Makes me maybe wish I had frozen hoses instead of warm weather. Not really sure. These poor guys refuse to go into the doghouse, so they are soaking wet. Well, take her food cup. That's the thing. You didn't bring her food cup. Come on. There you go. Here, Dove. Here. Here, Dove. I'm sure it's something. Come on, Bridget.
Yeah, you want it? You just wanted a big tree. Why do you have to drop it on the ground? Just chew it.
Here. She is.
Because when I let her chew on me like that, her tongue's like sharp now, like they get. I think that's.
So we've got the bantams all put up. They are soaking wet, so I'm trying to debate whether I am going to turn back on their heat lamp or not. It's a lot warmer at night, so they don't really need a heat lamp, but I don't know. We'll see. Laban's blow drying the girls since it rained all day. While Laban is blow drying, the girls are hand feeding their cows treats. Lennox does tricks with Dove. I'm trying to stay away from her since she's all wet. We went ahead and decided to put the light on the chickens so that they could dry off and hopefully have a nice warm night. We hope you all have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.